Majade, we have a new tool today to rewind time and basically
Wow.
time travel. Just
What
like,
does this do?
it's like and you can just go back just 10 years back.
I would
आणि
love to go 10 years behind.
What तू काय करशील 10 years जर मागे गेला तर? So that's a time
I
travel
would.
remote gifted to you.
Thanks.
काय
Thank
करशील
you.
तू?
मी 11th कॉमर्स मध्ये जाईल.
मी पण. I think pretty much same.
Yeah.
बोलायचं का त्याच्याबद्दल? We have a very bad history. I don't care actually. I can talk about
No,
that.
I don't want to talk about it. I have a corporate job. I don't.
Oh, okay.
I don't
अच्छा.
need that.
I'll talk
distraction.
about it. I'll talk about it.
No,
About
don't
myself.
talk about mine.
No, mine. I'll talk about
Yeah.
mine.
Talk about
है ना?
yourself, and then we'll talk about my masters.
Oh god.
Cool.
So here we are. Episode 4.
Episode 4.
How are you feeling? Good?
I'm feeling a little loss of rhythm actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's
Yeah, me
been,
too, actually. Yeah, we got
it feels like it's been a year since our last pod.
Yeah.
कारण I think 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
2 weeks.
Exact
yeah.
2 weeks. Exact 2 weeks. Last week I was actually planning to like do a podcast. I had everything planned, like सगळं ready होतं. पण last week मी बाहेर होतो. I think I was out somewhere. So that's the reason why I could not do it.
Where were you?
But I don't know कुठे होतो मी exactly. Last week ला क्रिशचं होतं का? Last week?
नाही. Last week we all of us had that Soma trip.
Oh, we went to Soma.
Yes.
We actually went to Soma. हाँ.
Before that I don't know काय झालेलं. Or we
असंच
just
काहीतरी होतं.
हाँ,
असंच काहीतरी
same, I
we
think.
just caught up in like
Yeah,
something
yeah.
or the other.
both of us were caught
But,
up with something.
Yeah, man. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Woken podcast. This is the episode number 4, and we're feeling fresh. We're feeling chill. नासिक में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. Like fucking छप्पड़ far. Like we cannot even. I can't even tell you how hot it is right now inside this room, and especially मेरे room. So basically, my room is on the top. Like our house is on the top floor, और उसके ऊपर directly terrace है, and there's like a roof मेरे घर के ऊपर. So that's the reason why it's like ridiculous, and like we were just talking about a
Yeah.
big like AC ले क्या, like should we get an AC? But then we are broke. I mean I'm broke. You're not broke, are you?
Inside I'm broke.
Your heart is broke, but your wallet is full.
No,
right now.
my heart is not broken. It's actually woken.
It's woke.
So anyway,
Start करना है?
yes.
Do you wanna?
do it.
मी नेहमी करतो यार.
मी दरवेळेला करतो.
बट ठीक है, चल मी करतो यार भाई.
Let's.
Guys, rolling the intro, yo. This is the previous tape, last episode's tape, and this is the episode 4, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Action.
Roll the intro. Action.
This is my simulation. Welcome to the Woken podcast. Welcome inside my brain. Stay woken.
So, any introduction updates? Tell me how was these 2 weeks? काय चालू है? What did you do?
Nothing
was-
crazy. Good thing is, I played football after a month and a half,
Yeah.
and I was tired as fuck.
तुम्हाला बोललेला की
Yeah, it's
yeah.
been it's so. That's when I realized the importance of consistency. If you don't have consistency, you're basically fucked.
Yeah. In anything like
In
workout
anything.
पण आणि football पण.
Yeah.
Because if you do it like after a long time, it just basically your body tells you how fucked up you are,
Yes.
and like you need to fucking work out or like
Yes.
whatever.
Yes. आणि आता ऊन इतकं आहे.
yeah.
Temperature is fucking boiling. आणि
Right.
for some reason रात्री पण तसंच फील होतं.
Yeah.
सकाळी होतं की
Yeah.
इवन दो तुम्हाला असे मधून कूल ब्रीजेस जात असतात, पण खेळायला लागल्यावर तुमची बॉडी इतक्या पटकन वॉर्मअप होते,
Right.
आणि देन टेम्परेचर इन द बॉडी कीप्स ऑन इन्क्रीजिंग सो रॅपिडली
Right.
की तुम्ही इफ यू डोंट बी सो पीपल हॅव अ रॉंग हॅबिट ऑफ नॉट बिंग हायड्रेटेड.
हां.
आणि फुटबॉल खेळताना तुम्ही 1 तासाचा स्लॉट असतो,
Yeah.
तर तुम्ही 1 तासात किती वेळा पाणी प्यायला जाणार? इट
Right,
मेक्स नो
right.
सेन्स टू ब्रेक दॅट रिदम
It gets
every
dehydrated.
5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
But to all of my friends out there who are just starting out with sport, this is the season where you need to keep yourself hydrated or खूप प्रॉब्लेम्स होतात.
For sure.
खूपच प्रॉब्लेम्स होतात.
Yeah. Like
मसल पुल्स, इंजरीज, लॉस ऑफ ब्रेथ, इट्स वेरी बैड.
100%. तुमने पढ़ा होगा कि oh fuck, you just broke my time travel remote. How are we going to time travel now?
That's the sign. That's the sign
that we should
we
not.
can't go back. Fuck yeah,
Guys,
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. Guys, we had a time travel. We had a time travel remote, but we can't travel anymore.
Yeah.
So we are fucked. But it's okay. नहीं तो टूटला नहीं है पण it's just hey, all good. All good.
खाली एक पडलंय बघ. इथे.
All good जी. नहीं ते नहीं है.
अच्छा ओके.
चिल. All good.
Fuck.
Yo.
Fine.
आम्ही तेच म्हणत होतो की 3 to 4 liters of water you need to consume every day, right? Is
Ideally,
yeah. So
3
4 liters is like a big freaking jug or like a
Yes.
काय म्हणतात त्याला, like a bottle of
4 liters you cannot कारण you also need to eat. So
Yeah.
मध्ये बेसिकली कसं आहे तुम्ही जास्त पाणी पिता
yeah.
आणि जास्त पाणी पिल्यामुळे तुम्ही कमी खाता. So
right.
you have to find that balance.
जास्ती खाल्ल्यामुळे तुम्ही पाणी कमी पिता,
जास्त पाणी पिल्यामुळे तुम्ही
कमी खाता. ओके.
विच इज वाय लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी भरून नाही निघत.
राईट
सो यू तुमचं स्वेटिंग होत राहतं, बॉडीतनं वॉटर जात राहतं
या
आणि मग तुम्ही त्याला बॅलन्स करण्याकरता जेवढं इंटेक करताय त्यामुळे यू आर एसेन्शियली फिलिंग अप युअर स्टमक बाय वॉटर.
राईट
आणि तुम्ही जेवता कमी.
सो
दॅट्स द रिझन पीपल टेल यू नॉट टू इट चिकन, नॉट टू इट नॉन व्हेज समर्स, बिकॉज एक तर डायजेशनला खूप टाइम लागतो, दुसरी गोष्ट इट heats up your body like crazy.
100%.
So
I get a lot of acne as soon as the summer hits.
Yes.
म्हणजे
It's because of that.
automatically it just like माझा direct breakout होऊन जातो रे. All this winter I was all good. Like I used to sleep at 3 o'clock at night, 4 o'clock at night, and I used to be fine. But then as soon as the summer hit, the breakout started.
Yeah, कारण internally heat वाढत राहते ना आणि people already dealing with some conditions.
Yeah.
Skin
yeah.
Usual heating conditions.
Yeah. You have a good skin though. You have good skin. I never saw any acne on your face. Touch wood.
कारण मी so first of all I don't have that काय म्हणतात. So I was always a lot into training. आणि त्यामुळे वेअर अँड टेअर बॉडीचं खूप होत राहायचं, स्वेटिंग होत राहायचं, इंटॉक्सिकेशन होत राहायचं. सो त्यामुळे बेसिकली ऑल द टॉक्सिन्स.
या सो तेव्हापासून तुझं असंच आहे का, लाईक तेव्हापासून बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट इट स्टील.
या आणि ऑल्सो इट डझंट रन इन द फॅमिली असे काही स्किन
राईट. सो दॅट मीन्स आय हॅव नेव्हर वर्कड आउट बेसिकली ऑल माय लाईफ. असं आहे का काही?
यू टेल मी.
आई मीन
यू टेल मी.
या नहीं, मैंने कभी नहीं वर्कआउट किया था fucking लाइफ में, बट आई हैव स्टार्टेड टू it's been I think 10 to 12 more than 12 days I've been going to this joggers track every day to work out, and it's feeling good right now. Like I'm
and
doing
are
good.
you doing it alone?
So previously I was 5-7 days में alone केला, and then Pika joined. Pika ने मला 4 days पहले join केला.
Okay.
So me and Pika आता जाता है.
Sounds
So I have a good
It's
gym partner and stuff.
Good,
Like,
good.
it's working
I
good.
urge everyone to get into physical
Yeah, man,
fitness
work out,
along with
fuck.
mental fitness. It's very important.
Working out is fucking important, man. Fucking hell. Hey, dude, I wanted to talk to you about this. I saw Netflix. What's this series, yaar? Squid Game's part 2 येतोय.
Oh.
Did you watch Squid Game 1?
I haven't.
You have not?
I haven't.
Miru.
I wanted to, but then तूच मला बोललेला it's not worth watching.
I mean, see, as a मला असं वाटतं की it's an entertainment TV series, like असं.
Wasn't it like a big hype and then it
It
kind
was.
of fell really hard?
It was kind of a big hype, but it's very intriguing. Like whenever you start watching the first episode, it's like, oh, next episode मध्ये काय होतं, next episode मध्ये काय होतं. Like the games असतात ना, की like you're just interested about, you just get excited about the games. आपण छोट्यापणी कसं गेम्स खेळायचो, लाईक पकडापकडी आणि हे ते एक्स वाय झेड. सो इट्स बेसिकली दॅट. बट what are you watching anything TV series?
I'm actually not.
Do you want to?
I want to. मी नार्कोस परत बघितलं ॲक्च्युली.
You watching Narcos again?
I watched Mexico Narcos परत एकदा.
मेक्सिको म्हणजे मेक्सिकोच्या लँग्वेज मध्ये?
नाही नार्कोस मेक्सिको थर्ड पार्ट.
अच्छा, द याचं वीड वाला. येस. मी तर नाही बघितलं. I haven't seen.
अजून मी I was watching Better Call Saul.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, Better Call
yeah.
Saul. Shit, I haven't watched Better
It's
Call Saul.
actually
Dude.
way more interesting than the Saul which is featured in Breaking Bad.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And the script, acting, storyline, everything is
It's
very
good.
entertaining.
So it's like a prequel of Breaking Bad. ना?
Yes, yes,
Like
yes,
त्याच्या
yes.
पहिले काय झालेलं?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
असं काहीतरी
Exactly.
आहे.
So
Wow.
the series starts जेव्हा ब्रेकिंग बॅड संपलंय, सॉल पळालाय. ओके, आणि ही इज वर्किंग इन सम रॅन्डम रेस्टॉरंट, आणि तिकडे तो कुठेतरी अटकतो, रेस्टॉरंट मध्येच कुठेतरी
Right.
अटकतो, आणि मग तो फ्लॅशबॅक मध्ये जातो की
Oh wow.
व्हॉट लेड टू दिस ब्रेकिंग बॅड.
Right, bro. मी honestly I tell this to everyone. Anyone, म्हणजे आता कोणी पण random friends आहेत माझे काही पण, की like tell me the best TV series ever made. I think for me it's Breaking Bad.
Could
Like,
be.
Period. Breaking Bad मी कधी पण बघू. I can watch Breaking Bad any time of the day, any time of the year, and every single episode is like top notch. Like the end. तू बघितला ना Breaking Bad?
Yes.
Proper किती वेळा बघितलं, म्हणजे तू असं आठवण्या एवढं बघितलंय?
मी मला लास्टचं आठवत आहे, लास्ट 2 seasons.
Yeah.
आय कॅन रिमेंबर इट फेअरली वेल.
Yeah.
आधीचे मी थोडे विसरलो,
नाही. Yeah.
कारण मी जेव्हा ते एल कमिनो
Yeah.
आलेलं
El Camino.
द
Yeah.
मूवी,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
त्यावेळेला मी थोडंसं ब्रशअप केलेलं.
अच्छा, just to.
2 seasons.
Right.
या डेफिनेटली यार, म्हणजे मी
पण
फर्स्ट टाइम जेव्हा बघितलेलं ना,
हा.
वी वर व्हेरी यंग.
हा, छोटे होतो.
बॅड बघत होतो.
तुला माहिती आहे का, if now if you'll watch it again, you'll understand the small little intelligent details that these guys have put inside the TV series. म्हणजे ते आपल्याला
येस,
like माहित पण नाही आहे. डिटेल्स इतके क्रेझी डिटेल्स आहेत ना
कुठे
ब्रो.
असतात, नंबर प्लेट,
या like
दुकानाच्या वरती बिलबोर्ड,
Easter eggs,
येस,
small little Easter eggs.
येस,
मग त्याच्यातले छुपे हुए डिटेल्स जे आपल्याला like आपल्याला तेव्हा नोटीस पण नसणार झालंय, बिकॉज
येस,
we were watching this for the first time.
करेक्ट.
But it's crazy, man. तू Euphoria नावाची सिरीज ऐकली आहे का?
Zendaya मला बघायची आहे.
Yeah.
I
Okay, so
haven't
honestly,
seen it
I'll
yet.
tell you my opinion about it. I watched the first episode. Are you into high school American drama? Like High School Musical, Hannah Montana,
no,
like
no,
all the.
no,
I mean, I'm not comparing
now,
that, but
not now.
I'm not comparing Euphoria to that.
High school, but it's very different, right? It's you cannot compare it to a high school drama.
Of course, but I'll tell
It's
you how
way
it
more
is.
deeper and darker than
Yeah. So it's very well shot. Firstly, the series is very well made. Every single frame that you see, is like a piece of art. त्यांनी ते असं केलंय, म्हणजे like holy shit, झेंडेयाची ऍक्टिंग तर म्हणजे इन्सेनच आहे. बट एव्हरी सिंगल फ्रेम इज क्रिएटिव्हली डिरेक्टेड लाईक सो वेल की ते बघायला खूप मजा येते. बट देन ॲट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स अ लिटल क्लिशे. लाईक सगळे ते असं हायस्कूल त्यांच्या कॉलेजचा ड्रामा दाखवला आहे, अँड देन दे गेट अडिक्टेड टू ड्रग्स अँड हाऊ दे कम टू अ रिहॅब अँड बेसिकली जस्ट पुल दिस ऑफ टुगेदर, असं आहे. बट इट्स गुड. आय हर्ड इट्स गुड. बट मला फर्स्ट एपिसोड बघून पुढचा एपिसोड बघायची इच्छा नाही झाली. सो आय जस्ट गिवन अप.
Zendaya is one of the producers.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Oh. She's earning a lot.
Zendaya
She's making a lot.
crazy
Shout
है
out to
भाई.
Zendaya यार. Fantastic.
Dude, Zendaya काय पॉप झाले ना, म्हणजे
Very.
fuck from
आणि
Spider-Man
तिचं
and
हे पण तसं आहे रे. Personality, her
yeah
acting,
yeah
her choice of movies.
100%.
मतलब
dude.
choice of
Zendaya is I think
stories.
one of the best actors out there right now.
Yeah.
Zendaya is like about to get her Oscar soon. I'm guessing.
Probably. हाँ,
Yeah.
तिला असं एखादी स्क्रिप्ट मिळाली ना,
Yeah.
ऑस्कर लाईक मूवी,
She can
definitely.
100% pull it off, like in the next couple of years.
Definitely.
But talking about Oscars, you know where I was coming. Dude, what the fuck happened? Are you serious? Like,
I woke up. आणि मी युजली काय करतो,
yeah.
when I wake up, मी फोन बघतो फॉर न्यूज अपडेट्स. आय नेव्हर ओपन इंस्टाग्राम और व्हॉट्सॲप
Yeah.
सकाळी उठल्या बिकॉज आय लॉग इन प्रिटी अर्ली.
Yeah.
आणि दॅट डे मी फोन बघितला, इट वॉज ऑल ऑस्कर्स.
Yeah.
तर मी म्हणलं जरा बघू की व्हॉट आर दी अपडेट्स वगैरे
Yeah.
वगैरे. काही नव्हतं एवढं. सडनली, सो आय हॅव 3 or 4 ॲप्स विच गिव्स मी न्यूज, स्पोर्ट्स, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया
TOI
वगैरे
वगैरे.
वगैरे,
Yeah.
BBC एक्सेट्रा.
Right.
पाहतोय सगळीकडे everything popped up at once. I was like, what the fuck? मी पाहिलं आणि काहीच नाही, न्यूज नाही, मला फक्त तो फोटो दिसला.
That photo. And then Chris was like getting slapped like that.
I was like, what the fuck? आणि फर्स्ट इन्सिडेंट तुझ्या डोळ्यासमोर काय येतो? Fucking scripted.
It's scripted, yeah. It's a joke. It's a joke, yeah.
It
for sure.
keeps happening. Obviously, जर सगळ्या न्यूज चॅनल्स वरती येतंय, or मे बी सगळ्या काय म्हणतात फोरम्स वरती येतंय, तर डेफिनेटली इट्स समथिंग सिरियस. पण कोणालाच काही माहित नव्हतं. सो एव्हरीवन इन द वर्ल्ड थॉट की ते स्क्रिप्टेड आहे
100%.
आणि फॉर अ मोमेंट मे बी क्रिस रॉकला वाटलं असेल स्क्रिप्टेड.
बट देन तसा तो बँग त्यांनी जेव्हा खाल्ला तो वूप दॅडी फकिंग.
पण तू एक पाहिलं का, when you slap, obviously you haven't slapped anyone, but when you slap someone, एक वेगळा आवाज येतो. आपण टाळी मारतो तेव्हा कसा आवाज येतो?
लाईक दॅट.
करेक्ट. त्याचा जो असा आवाज आला ना,
ठोप असा आला,
ठोप होता. आणि तो आवाज असा होता की अटेम्प्ट अँड मिस वाला आवाज होता. और व्हॉटएव्हर, चल आपण.
किंवा आय थिंक when your hand strikes a mic, आवाज होतो ना लाईक दिस. दिस आवाज तसं काहीतरी वाटलं.
तसा आवाज क्लिअरली आला. आणि वाय आय थॉट इट वॉज स्क्रिप्टेड, कारण तो पहिले हसला होता. सो आय एम नॉट शुअर इफ पीपल हॅव सीन इट और यू हॅव सीन द जिमी किमेलचा
बघितला ना
अनालिसिस.
ऑफ कोर्स.
ही वॉज लाईक, ही लाफ्ड एट द जोक, and नंतर he saw Jada.
He saw her reaction.
He's like, I need to do something or I'm fucked.
Yeah, Jimmy took it fucking ekdam funny. Yeah, I know. And then he just walked up, like he stood up, chalat gela, he slapped, and then while coming back he was laughing. Like he had a grim on his face. Like asa thoda sa ki asa like fuck you, like that thing he had. And Will Smith is a cool personality who can eat jokes, man.
Correct.
Because he's a comedian himself and he's out there. He has a YouTube channel. He does everything. Like he's a cool guy.
तर असा नाही करत पण तो काही, म्हणजे असा कोणाला पर्सनली खराब जोक्स नाही मारत.
Of course, that's agreed. But at the same time, people don't understand. Jokes are jokes.
नाही. ऐक. मी तुला ते सांगतोय. When you are personally roasting someone, national television, in front of the biggest event in any movie industry, correct? तर तुम्ही कोणाला तरी पर्सनली जोक मारताय ना, तुम्ही एक कन्सेंट घेतला पाहिजे, किंवा there should be a reminder or there should be a notification to that person or anyone, disclaimer, की तुमच्या अगेन्स्ट असे जोक्स येणार आहेत. So be prepared. If you don't want to take anything against you, be vocal before the show. करेक्ट. की मला माझ्यावरती कोणत्या जोक मारलेला नकोय.
ओके.
और द कमेडियन शुड टेक दॅट कन्सेप्ट, कारण क्रिस रॉकनी मोजून 7-8 लोकांवरती जोक्स मारले असतील. दॅट एंटायर इव्हेंट टार्गेट करून.
आणि the thing is, he did not knew about her condition.
He should have taken that consent.
He thought that it's just a hairstyle, basically. You know what I mean?
पण मी तुला तेच म्हणतोय ना, की तुम्ही तुमच्या पर्सनल कॉमेडी शो वरती हे नाही करत आहे. तुम्ही यू हॅव बीन हायर्ड टू होस्ट अन इव्हेंट लाईक ऑस्कर,
राईट?
तिकडे तू कोणाला तरी रोस्ट करतोय बॅडली. म्हणजे इवन दो तिला नसतं पण अपोलेशिया, स्टिल इट वॉज अ बॅड
disgraceful joke,
ऑफेन्सिव जोक.
Okay, cool, ठीक है. If you're offended by something, okay, if it's a joke, in the first place, I think how I take this is, no matter how badly anyone comes and roasts me, if a comedian comes and roasts me, I know he doesn't mean it, firstly, because it's a fucking joke and he's a comedian. Secondly, if you are offended by any chance, just go up there and tell him that do not do this. I don't like this. Please stop. That's it. Why do you have to go on the platform, or maybe consider the whole situation. It's Oscars. It's not Filmfare Awards. It's not fucking any shitty awards. It's the best awards in the world. And you're going there and fucking slapping someone.
I'm trying to tell you the same thing. Will Smith, what he did was unacceptable. No one should do that.
It's
no matter
crazy.
at what position or how respected you are, you do not have the right to slap someone in front of everyone.
Never.
In front of national television.
100%.
That's one thing. He was wrong. विल स्मिथ वॉज रॉंग ऑन सम लेवल.
मग त्यांनी फक्त अपॉलॉजी आस्क करायला पाहिजे होती वेन ही गॉट दी अवॉर्ड. किंवा शो थांबून 2 मिनिटं बोलायला पाहिजे होती की हॅलो गाईज आय डोंट रिस्पेक्ट दिस, प्लीज आय डोंट अप्रिशिएट सच जोक्स, सो प्लीज डोंट डू इट.
मग तो बोलला ना त्याच्या
पण ते मारल्यानंतर बोलला.
हो ना, मग
दॅट्स द होल पॉईंट. मारायला नव्हतं पाहिजे.
ते झालं रे, मारलं आता काय करणार, मारलंय झालंय. इट वॉज ऑफेन्सिव्ह टू हिज वाईफ, तर त्यांनी जाऊन तो राग काढला. Obviously, Chris Rock has no match to Will Smith.
Yeah.
Nor does Chris Rock has a match to anyone in the audience.
Yeah.
सगळे तिकडे who's who असतात.
Yeah.
Chris Rock एक comedian आहे, त्याला host करायला बोलला.
Pretty much, yeah.
Correct.
So that's why he was like scared. When he ate the slap, he could not do shit, dude. He was like, "Oh, Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me." That's what he said.
Yeah, the greatest moment.
The greatest moment in the Oscar history, असं काहीतरी. Yeah.
पण तिकडे point काय होता? Chris Rock is not even a percent to Will Smith's glory. Correct?
Yeah.
Will Smith wanted to send a message to everyone in the world ki don't fucking have a beef with my wife. Karan,
okay,
where Chris Rock did the same thing in 2016.
16, yeah.
That was a very, very bad joke. This mofo doesn't even stand a chance against me. He's roasting my wife at fucking Oscars.
Again, motherfucker.
Front row च्या front seat वरती बसलोय.
Yeah. You have the fucking audacity.
Exactly.
To fucking roast Will Smith's wife. म्हणजे ठीक आहे, Jada, even if Jada is not like, I mean, Jada is a cheater and shit. Like, there's a lot of controversies about her. Let's not get there because.
Yeah.
But then, I think that's the reason why he was doing it. What he was doing, the comedian Chris.
Yeah.
But then Will could not take it. I mean, that's fucking.
Exactly.
I mean, okay.
But all in all, my take was that Will shouldn't have done that.
Shouldn't have. Yeah. I mean,
no one should do it.
No one should slap anyone at
Chris
Oscars.
Was wrong.
Yeah.
Chris should have apologized.
Yeah. 100%.
Which he did not. But Will, I mean, I'm sorry, but everyone is against you, and so are we.
Yeah. Same thing happened once आपल्या Bollywood मध्ये. Ashutosh Gowarikar, लगानचा director.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this guy is in his own.
त्यांनी रिटर्न केलेलं ना, काहीतरी केलेलं.
नाही. So this guy was in his own headspace. So असे असतात ना thick skin वाले लोक जे जोक्सच नाही घेऊ शकत स्वतःवर. They are very serious people, right?
Yes.
They work hard.
Amir Khan shit basically.
कोण?
Amir Khan shit.
No, Amir Khan is intellectually very smart. He's capable. He has a good sense of humor and he knows.
No, but do you know he has never attended Filmfare?
That's a different reason.
का माहिती ना याच गोष्टीमुळे.
Oh really?
He doesn't like to get joked किंवा.
Oh wow, okay.
काहीतरी, yeah.
Maybe Aselma. Maybe he's one of them.
Shahrukh, Salman, all of these guys get targeted every Filmfare.
Yeah, of course.
Buy some.
And they are for it, dude. They're for it. Like they're like, like roast me. Who cares? It's like that.
But Filmfare, it's ना हॉलिवूड आणि बॉलिवूड मधला डिफरन्स असा आहे. हॉलिवूड मध्ये कोणी कोणाला पण रोस्ट करू शकतं, बट बॉलिवूड मध्ये नो वन विल रोस्ट सलमान खान. His career is over.
Yeah.
Or Shahrukh or
100%.
any other top celebrity.
Yeah.
So
हे एकदा झालेलं आशुतोष गोवारीकरला फिल्मफेअर अवॉर्ड मिळालेला कुठला तरी, आणि ती फराह खान अँड फराह अँड कोण तिचा भाऊ साजिद खान साजिद अँड फराह वर मेकिंग फन ऑफ लाईक नॉर्मल सगळ्या लोक की अरे दिस अँड दॅट नॉर्मल रोस्टिंग, आणि दे मेड फन ऑफ आशुतोष. काही नाही, लॉंग स्टोरी. मला एवढं आशुतोष गोवारीकरला इम्पॉर्टन्स नाही द्यायचा बिकॉज आय डोंट फील
इज अ गुड डिरेक्टर.
I mean, he is, but ते सगळं त्याच्यानंतर I thought he's a shitty person anyway.
Okay.
तर they were making fun of this Ashutosh Gowarikar, आणि त्याचं टेम्पर इतकं डेंजर होतं की he could not take a single joke on him. He just stood up तिकडे and he was like, no, stop doing that. You don't know how people work hard for whatever. आणि त्यांनी डायरेक्ट तमाशा केला आणि माईक घेतला एका कुठल्या तरी माणसाकडून, अँड ही जस्ट स्लॅम्ड ते बिचारे दोघं जे दे वर ट्राईंग टू एंटरटेन पीपल रे. लाईक फिल्मफेअरला अवॉर्ड फंक्शनला सिरियसनेस नसू शकतो. लाईक यू जस्ट रोस्ट एव्हरीवन आणि चिल असतं सगळं. कपिल शर्मा, करण जोहर कसं चिल करतात आजकाल, सगळ्यांना रोस्ट करतात. दीपिका ऑन.
पण तुला एक माहिती आहे का, तर काय
नाही, बेसिकली आशुतोष गोवारीकरने खूप मोठा सीन क्रिएट केला आणि ही वॉज लाईक, यू डोंट हॅव द लेवल टू डोंट टॉक अबाउट मी, डोंट टॉक. एकदम घाणेरड्या वेळी त्यांना स्टॉप करून टाकलं सगळं. आणि ते वर लाईक व्हॉट द फक वेन. तर ते दोघं आत निघून गेले आणि मग 5 मिनिटांनी बाहेर आले की हम किसी के बाप के लिए काम नहीं करते, ये क्या है पूरी जो लाइन है फिल्म लाइन ये सिर्फ ऑडियन्स ने बनाई आहे और हम सिर्फ ऑडियन्स के लिए करते एंटरटेन करते किसी के बाप के लिए नाही करते असं डायरेक्ट तोंडावर बोललेलं आणि आशुतोष शांते बसून गेलेला. डू यू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग सिरियस और फन
from what we were talking at.
Okay, let's cover the serious topic very quickly and then go to the fun topic.
Yes, please.
Because I really want to talk to you all, everyone. I mean, to you and like to the audience about this.
Sure.
Kashmir Files. Let's cover this very quickly because I don't want to honestly get into depth because there's a lot of opinions about this. Did you watch the movie?
Yes.
Tell me. Ekdam brief. Don't try to elaborate anything.
Yeah.
What did you think about that? You have like 30 seconds. I just want to hear that. And I'll do the same in 30 seconds.
Tough to actually say about this in 30 seconds. What my personal opinion was that movie was factual. खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी अनवील झाल्या.
Which we did not know already.
Yes. I don't understand the timing of the movie. Necessity of bringing such a movie at this time. Moral काय होतं आणि what's the takeaway?
True.
Yes.
Agreed.
काश्मीर मधल्या लोकांना पण काश्मीर बद्दल माहिती नव्हतं.
Fair.
याच्यातनं कळालं.
Fair.
But the whole point of the movie तो जरा मिसिंग होता.
100%.
Point नव्हता काही.
Point नव्हता. There was no point in the movie. For sure. I'll tell you my takeaway. I watched the whole thing. I was a little carried away in between when I saw like violence in general as a human being. Let's keep religion aside for a second. As a human being, I was like, oh, हे नव्हतं व्हायला पाहिजे ज्या लोकांबरोबर ते झालंय. May it be anyone, any religion, right? Violence is never good. ये तुला पाणी हवं? Refill करू?
नाही, ठीक आहे.
Okay. Violence is never good. But when I saw this movie firing shots at a particular place, right? Again and again and again and again, that's when I was like, no, this is agenda centric. This is something which is not just related to violence and like what happened. This is something more than that. People really want to target someone really specifically. आणि I was like, ठीक आहे जे झालं तेव्हा जर तुम्ही तो मूवी काढला असता की ब्रो हे बघ एक लास्ट वर्षी काय झालं इथे, दिस इज बॅड. बट त्याला किती वर्ष झाली? 1990. So 30 years.
89, 90.
Almost 31 years. 31 years नंतर when things are getting better and better as humans, right? When things are dissolving, when things are getting mellower between two communities, why would you ignite something in this era? Is the only point that I did not get. Like, I feel very bad for the Kashmiri Pandits. I feel terrible for what happened. Shouldn't have never happened. It's unfortunate that history this, like, we had to see this history. But at the same time, as you said, I did not get the point of the whole movie. Again.
तुला ते अरविंद केजरीवाल काय बोलला याच्यावर?
हाँ? I think I saw. Yeah, you told me.
See, तुम्ही जर कॉज ड्रिव्हन काहीतरी काढताय ना, when you are showing आता या केसमध्ये द ब्रुटॅलिटी ऑफ जेनोसाइड, आणि तुम्हाला एखादा कॉज अनवील करून मॅक्झिमम पॉप्युलेशन पर्यंत ते न्यायचंय. एका पॉइंटला तुम्ही म्हणताय या स्टेट्समध्ये आम्ही टॅक्स फ्री करू, या स्टेट्समध्ये कन्सेशन करू, या स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल करता आम्ही तो डिस्काउंटेड करू. केजरीवाल म्हणाला की देन यू शुडंट बी मेकिंग मिलियन्स आउट ऑफ दिस. तुम्ही युट्यूबवर टाकून द्या ती मूवी.
बरोबर. इफ इट्स फॉर अ कॉज,
फ्री करून टाका.
डू इट फॉर द कॉज अँड नॉट generate anything out of it. Where is the money going?
अरविंद केजरीवाल म्हणाला दिल्लीमध्ये का हरियाणामध्ये कुठेतरी one MLA was moved by this movie.
Okay.
आणि त्याला तो पब्लिक स्क्रीनिंग करायची होती.
Okay.
फॉर फ्री.
Okay.
त्या डिरेक्टरनी तिथला जो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट होता.
Yeah.
त्याला फोन करून सांगितलं की हा प्लीज फ्री नका करू.
Oh, really?
येस.
Ooh.
म्हणजे
I smell something.
What's the agenda behind making this film?
Yeah.
Why bring it out right now? Why? I'm being blunt here.
And who are you voting?
नाही, voting नाही. Who are you targeting?
Yeah.
म्हणजे why the spread of hatred?
Yeah, exactly my point. की जे झालं ते झालं, dude. Like असं there are a million stories that anyone can make movies about on violence because discrimination and caste and creed and what not. There are a million stories, but why would you? It's like this. Like I'll be very frank for a second. Hindu-Muslim हे टॉपिक इतकं सेन्सिटिव्ह आहे ऑल दीज इयर्स, राईट? म्हणजे त्याला फक्त तुम्ही असं जस्ट एक छोटासा स्पार्क केलं तर इग्नाइट होणार, राईट? अँड दिस मूवी इज द स्पार्क टू एव्हरीथिंग वॉट्स गोइंग ऑन. लाईक we as humans today, we are trying to make this country or this place or this world a better place, right? Without violence, no fighting, brotherlyhood, like forgetting about religion, caste, and all people are equal. When we are trying to reach there, these things really hamper that.
Yes.
You know, like
yes.
badly
aligned.
Yeah. Yes. So that's all. That's all I wanted to say. But again, on the other hand, I honestly really felt for what happened in 1989, and bad people. Those people were fucked up. Like those people, they did not deserve to even fucking be born or like live in the future. Or if they are living right now, they need to be dead. But apart from that, this is my take on it.
Yeah,
Crazy,
absolutely.
but it is what it is.
Absolutely. Felt really bad.
Yeah.
For the group of people who suffered.
For sure. I was watching this interview. सगळ्या काश्मीरी पंडितला बोलवलेलं एका इंटरव्ह्यू TV चॅनलने. त्यांच्या म्हणजे बायकांना किंवा जे पण ज्यांच्याबरोबर झालेलं आहे ते जेव्हा ते तिथे होते, पीपल वर क्राईंग देअर आईज आउट. लाईक दे कुड नॉट फकिंग टेक इट की किती वाईट त्यांच्याबरोबर ही कंडिशन होती त्या पॉईंटला. आणि ते बघून आय वॉज मूव्ड मॅन. आय वॉज लाईक वाव, दिस इज नॉट ह्युमन ॲट ऑल, लाईक जे झालेलं ते. बट अगेन वी कांट ब्लेम द होल फकिंग कम्युनिटी फॉर वॉट हॅपन्ड 30-40 years ago, right? That's what the government is trying to do, but
politically scripted.
Yes sir. Crazy. Yeah.
Anyway,
moving on to the next one.
Yeah,
let's talk about something happy.
Yeah.
I don't know if you are aware of this, but I wanted to talk to you about the metaverse.
Okay.
Do you know anything about it?
Yes.
Like
I do, but what's the...
So I was watching videos about the metaverse, right? Facebook ने जे metaverse काढलाय, and it just blew my mind the other day. It's so freaking cool, Meeru. So basically metaverse साठी तुम्हाला एक हे लागतं, VR glasses. Yeah, sorry. You need the VR glasses, you need the hand, the things.
Correct, yeah.
And like what not. And basically तिकडे आता असं झालंय की you create your own profile, like a profile on Facebook.
Yeah.
Right? Your persona on that, where you can be a fucking SpongeBob character, or you can be exactly yourself how you look but animated, or like a fucking chili with hands. And you can be anything yeah. Basically, and you can just basically roam around in a digital universe where you meet new friends, random people from different country cities and blah blah blah. And it is so well made that you can just earn money there. You can do anything and everything that you can do in real life. Like, so I saw these videos where people were going onto the metaverse and learning like new hobbies. And there are basically these rooms where you can go where there are teachers, and like there was this rapping class where you can just go there and like learn rapping. तिकडे खुर्ची बिर्चीवर बसायचं जाऊन, like literally if you sit, you will sit in the metaverse on the chair, and like you just like listen. If you look right, the thing will pan right. So if you are a character in metaverse, you're sitting asa ghari, and if I'm sitting asa, so we can shake hands, we can talk to each other, we can just like left right communicate, do this, do that, and it's so freaking detailed and cool. Ki at a point I thought that it's scary now. Like it's so scary that imagine if someone likes this idea so much that he starts earning in the metaverse, for example. Okay, everything goes to metaverse. 10 days into the metaverse, he forgets to fucking go out, right, in the nature. It's gonna be messed up in the next 10 years if that happens. Like, it's crazy. It's the best feeling right now, but at the same time it's scary too. Like,
unfortunately, I'm not a fan of digital world.
You've never been, yeah?
No, never been. Peksha, I don't, first of all, understand the concept of doing everything digitally. Whether it's virtual reality, whether it's artificial intelligence, metaverse, वगैरह वगैरह. I prefer everything which is natural.
Yeah.
You can never be satisfied physically unless you play football outside.
Yeah.
Unless and until you go trekking outside. You meet friends physically.
100%.
That personal touch.
100%.
You cannot socialize. Your brain will cease to exist if you completely transform yourself into digital world.
Yeah.
Which is actually becoming a thing, Ata.
It is. It is. Like,
kids,
so for sure.
Kids 2005 onwards.
Yeah.
Parents are practically pushing them to be part of this digital movement.
Yeah.
And I am a strong opposer, actually,
to this
of digital world.
So let's say you have kids 10 years from now.
Yeah.
Are you, for a very small example, at what age will you buy them iPads and phones?
I won't have a choice. I have to give them right away.
because everything is going to be digitalized by then.
Because by default.
Yeah.
I'll try to maintain that perfect balance of digital and physical.
Yeah.
I'll try to do that to my best ability. But if there's a movement, right? If there's a revolution from physical to digital,
yeah,
for some reason, COVID was one of the reasons. Better education, better resources, faster learning, faster exposure, वगैरे लोकांनी काढलं. And परवापासनं किंवा 5-10 years from now, football लोकांनी खेळणंच बंद केलं. Kids don't want to play football. At our age, we didn't have a choice.
Yeah, we were
digital games.
It came very late.
They were there, पण एवढे dominant
नव्हते. Yeah.
Right? Firstly, we cannot afford. आपल्याकडे computers खूप late आले.
100%.
Computers were not for video gaming.
100%.
Those were for different things.
Yeah.
So we were bound to go outside.
Our
parents pushed us to go outside.
Yeah.
आपण त्यामुळे body sustain करायला लागते ना तुम्हाला. Your body needs sustenance from physical activity. ती physical activities जेव्हा निघून जाईल आणि kids themselves wouldn't want to go outside.
Yeah, that's when
पकडापकडी खेळायला.
That's when it's going to get messed up.
It is going to get messed up.
Yeah.
Because already people don't want to go outside.
100%.
Parentsलाच बाहेर जावंसं वाटत नाही तर kidsला कसं काय जावं?
For sure. And it has also, so as you said, the games that we used to play when we were young, it has also got to do something with the details. So attention to detail जेव्हा आपण बोलतो, graphics basically. Counter-Strike that we used to play 15 years ago, and the Counter-Strike or the games that are developing right now, zameen asmanacha farak hai.
True.
So the more real it is in the gaming world, the worse it is going to be for the children, because त्यांना वाटणार की अरे बाहेरपेक्षा इथेच जाऊ. This is the same thing.
Correct.
If you put a VR headset and you can go on a walk, right, and walk your dog exactly in the environment as it is outside, they will prefer to sit home forever, and they'll be like, bro, why will I go outside if I can play football ikade?
Environment in your mind.
Mind, yeah. तर ते त्यांना फरक तो physical नाही कळणार, because there is no one to push them. I mean, there will be no one to push them 50 years after, like from now. So I have a nephew, okay, Reu, right? ताईचा छोटा मुलगा. I somewhat remember my past. मी कसा होतो छोट्यापणी आणि मी काय करायचो या वयाचा असताना 5 years 6 years. I have a little like काय म्हणतात त्याला snaps, yeah, की like what I used to do. And when I see him doing like different things now, he cannot live without his iPad. He cannot live without the phone. He cannot live without Subway Surfers, the game. And everything is digitalized for them. And it's like very crazy for me to like cope with it. I'll tell you something crazy. काय झालं परवा. सो आम्ही बसलेलो, ओके, मी, ताई, रेयू आणि मॉम. आणि मी माझ्या फोनमध्ये टाईमपास करत होतो काहीतरी, राईट. आणि रेयू सॉ मी लाईक युझिंग माय फोन आणि ही गोज, राज मामा तुझ्याकडे कारचा गेम आहे का? तर मी म्हटलं नाही यार बेबी, माझ्या फोनमध्ये नाही आहे, इंटरनेट नाही आहे म्हटलं, त्याच्यामुळे मला डाउनलोड नाही करता येणार तो गेम कारचा. तर रेयू म्हटलं अच्छा नाही आहे का, मग इट्स ओके, तू तुझं हॉटस्पॉट ऑन कर आणि मी तुला इंटरनेट देतो. दॅट्स व्हॉट ही फकिंग सेड अँड ही इज 4 years old. कॅन यू बिलीव्ह? तो म्हटलं नाही एक काम कर, तू हॉटस्पॉट ऑन कर आणि मग आपण तो कारचा गेम डाउनलोड करूया. सो आय वॉज लाईक व्हॉट?
ताई,
I was like, you know what a hotspot is? And when I was 4 years old, I was eating dirt in my fucking backyard.
आपण
Like
चॉक्स खायचो आपण.
I used to play with this magnifying glass that I had, which used to like burn the paper, and I used to think that this is the coolest thing in the world. Like,
magic,
what is this?
magic.
What is this shit?
Fucking Edison shit.
Wow, man, this is
But
getting crazier.
In a way, we have a huge responsibility
Hmm.
to bestow in our kids
Yeah.
or people at youngest generation atta,
Right.
make them understand the importance of going outside, socializing outside,
For sure.
physical activity outside the house.
Yeah.
कारण no matter तुम्ही पैसे कमवा घरी बसून डिजिटल वर्ल्ड मध्ये, तुम्ही यू मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ एज्युकेशन घरी बसून, यू मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ एव्हरीथिंग.
Yeah.
पण तुम्ही तुमचं लाईफचं फंडामेंटलच घालवताय. लाईफ तुमचं द रिझन वाय युअर बॉडी इज क्रिएटेड. तुला माहिती आहे ना एव्होल्युशन कसं झालं, म्हणजे वाय वी बिकेम द वे वी आर
Yeah.
वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ एप्स वरनं माणूस इथे कसं काय आलाय,
Evolve कसा झालाय?
इव्हॉल्व का झालाय, बिकॉज ही स्टार्टेड गिव्हिंग अप ऑन सर्टन ऑर्गन्स और सर्टन बॉडी पार्ट्स. आणि मग ते तसं होत आपलं क्रिएशन असं झालंय.
Because he did not need them?
ज्या गोष्टी तो वापरत नव्हता, that
अच्छा.
kind of evolved
Oh.
into today's being.
Oh wow, that's a great
हळूहळू
story.
जर माणूस पाय वापरणं बंद करून टाकले, जेवढे वापरले पाहिजे,
बरोबर.
कपॅसिटी आहे तुमच्या ह्युमन लेग्स मध्ये, आर्म्स मध्ये, लिम्स मध्ये, ब्रेन मध्ये, तुमचा ब्रेनच मोठा होऊन जाईल.
ते डिफॉर्म व्हायला लागणार सगळं.
तुमचे, तुला माहिती ना ते कॉमिक कॅरेक्टर्स बनवतात लोक. 50 years from now, 100 years from now, how would humans look? Or
Sure.
200 years from now.
Sure.
It's basically going to be a big basket which will be a head, and then all of your body parts would be the size of chopsticks. Basically,
Yo, I can imagine. I can imagine that.
And
wow.
then your head is basically attached to a computer 24/7, and then you're living in that anemic world.
Yeah. And everything is basically AI.
Correct.
तेव्हा असणार.
Correct.
Dude, this is scary and I think हे होणार आहे.
Yeah.
Yeah.
आणि लोकांना तेव्हा वाटेल की this is normal.
Yeah.
असंच राहिलं पाहिजे.
म्हणजे if someone is born with like a healthy body, they'll be like, oh, what a fucking abnormal guy.
Correct.
Who is this guy?
Correct.
Like he's going fucking running. What is fucking wrong with him? तसंच होणार आहे.
Exactly.
Yeah. I believe you for sure, for real. And so with this, I just wanted to come to the last point and we'll end the podcast here.
Yeah.
This has a lot to do with mental health too.
Exactly.
Imagine, because we were talking about that the other day in the car, ki, how exercise is one of the most important part of your life to maintain the balance, right?
Yes.
Tumsa mental health ani with your everything, like career, with what you do, stress, stress kasa balance karaycha. Exercise is the way to go. Like, of course, releases dopamine in your body, which makes you happier, and like basically keeps you healthy. eventually prevents you from excess thinking, anxiety, depression, and then there's less likely for you to jump in that pool if you work out.
So
right?
basically the phenomenon is की जेव्हा तुमचा माइंड स्ट्रेस्ड आहे ना तुमची बॉडी पण स्ट्रेस्ड होऊन जाते ऑटोमॅटिकली कारण दॅट्स द मेसेज द ब्रेन सेंड्स टू युअर बॉडी
राईट
अँड देन तुम्हाला फिजिकल वेअर अँड टेअर पण येतं
राईट
सो टू काइंड ऑफ रिलीज दोज टॉक्झिन्स मेंटली यू वर्क आउट विच इज वेन तुमचं पूर्ण बॉडीचं वेअर अँड टेअर होऊन जातं
राईट
यू बेसिकली रिलीज द डोपामीन थ्रू विच द स्ट्रेस ऑल्सो गेट्स रिलीज्ड
शुअर
दॅट इज वेअर यू रिॲक्ट म्हणजे आता आपण बघतो फुटबॉल खेळताना एखादा खूपच फिजिकली खेळतोय किंवा शॉट्स खूपच मारतोय दॅट इज हिम रिॲक्टिंग द स्ट्रेस विच इज बिंग रिलीज्ड
yeah
So-
yeah.
to cope up or basically find the balance of your mental stress you have to have that physical activity कोणती पण करा मग तुम्ही तुमच्या
100%
at your best capacity तुम्ही जिम मध्ये जा तुम्ही स्पोर्ट खेळा
yeah
तुम्ही
yeah
तुमच्या छोट्या मुलांबरोबर पकडापकडी खेळा घरात whatever
right
whatever gets you that wear and tear
yeah basically using your muscles at its best जेवढं तुम्ही करू
Best of
शकता आणि
ability, yeah.
losing sweat I mean that's
Correct.
what you want in any form yoga football you
Correct.
go to the gym you do anything
correct
that's crazy and at the same time of course you need to just like you need to tame your body you need to tame your mind
Correct.
by doing these spiritual exercises like
Yeah.
mental yoga meditation
control
and all these
yes.
things so if that goes hand in hand I think you are a balanced person you can say I see these people तुला असं वाटतं का like I see some people right they don't age they age so slowly and they age so naturally की like you feel की यांना जमलंय like यांचं balanced life मध्ये इतके balance असतो त्यांचा they are successful they are earning money they are happy in life they are working out they are fit everything comes together perfectly
कोण आहे असं
Akshay Kumar
you think he is not stressed
no he is stressed everyone is stressed but the way he handles himself as a person
I'll tell you the secret
or I'll give you a few examples
okay
Sadhguru
Sadhguru सोडून दे Sadhguru is not an example
he's not a human
no he's not an example
म्हणजे because
he
I'll
is
tell you-
not he doesn't deal with day to day ज्या आपण गोष्टी करतो मी तुला या लोकांचं सिक्रेट सांगतो आणि हे थिंग्स लाईक अक्षय कुमार टॉम क्रूज or people like these who have found that balance.
म्हणजे just छोटा before you say this why am I saying this just if you compare two people right now okay like Akshay Kumar आणि सलमान खान okay कोणाला लोकांकडे बघून you understand what the person is like or what he's going through when I see I'm sorry to say this but when I see Salman Khan today he's gone as a person you just see him right now in his interviews he's 50 kitya 55 60 his I feel his whole I don't know how to say this but his face looks swollen to me all the time he's hungover there's a mental stress disto tondavar he never smiles he's not happy at all tondakade bagun karta whereas Akshay Kumar he's a jolly person he fucking works out every day he meditates he does this spiritual he's on a spiritual journey आणि balanced आहे माणूस ते आणि इट्स अ व्हेरी स्टुपिड एक्झाम्पल बट जे मला डोक्यात पॉप झालं ते बोललो मी
आय थिंक दॅट्स अ व्हेरी ॲक्युरेट एक्झाम्पल टेल यू वाय लोक जेव्हा राईट टाइमला राईट हॅबिट्स घेतात ना आणि माइंडला इतकं हंटरनी टेम केलेलं असतं की त्या हॅबिट्स तोडायच्या नाही मरेपर्यंत लाईक स्लीपिंग अर्ली वेकिंग अर्ली eating the right food every day working out आणि जे ऑक्युपेशन आहे आपलं त्याला रिलिजन सारखं ट्रीट करा ह्या गोष्टी जर तुम्ही अँड लव्ह युअर फॅमिली लव्ह युअर किड्स लव्ह युअर मॉम अँड डॅड एव्हरीथिंग दॅट शुड बी अ नंबर वन प्रायोरिटी ह्या गोष्टी ज्याला समजल्या आहेत ना जे आपल्याला समजायला टाइम लागणार आहे खूप इफ यू टेक आवर केस
किंवा इफ यू टेक टाइम to just think about it maybe we'll understand it right now too but it's just like we need to think about that like we just need to sit and chill
आज तू जर एक 1,00,000 रुपयाच्या बॉन्ड पेपर वरती मी तुझ्याकडनं साईन करून घेतलं की तू साईन करून घेतलं की फ्रॉम टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू स्लीप ॲट 10, wake up at 8.
Nah, fuck that.
How many years will it take you to actually do it regularly? It won't. कारण आपण त्या गोष्टी आपल्या माइंडला किंवा ब्रेनला ते आपण एक्सेप्टच नाही करू शकत.
Yeah.
टू फाइंड दिस चेंज लाईफस्टाईल मध्ये. लाईफस्टाईल चेंज इज द वर्स्ट.
So,
जस्ट बिकॉज तुला सांगतो का बरं, फॉर द फर्स्ट इयर यू विल बी अनहॅपी.
Yeah.
कारण
Yeah,
तू
you'll be
changes
messed
करतोय.
up, dude.
तुझी बॉडी वुड गिव्ह
Give up, yeah.
काही तू उठशील फ्रस्ट्रेटेड.
Yeah.
तू दिवसभर फक्त चांगलं खातोय यार, बॉडी लाईक व्हॉट द फक इज.
Even if you're doing good things, you won't be happy.
You won't be happy.
Because-
त्यामुळे तू लगेच चेंज कर, you'll be back to where it was.
Yeah, because it will be a change in the pace for your body. Because
Exactly.
all these years your body was comfortable eating shitty food, sleeping at 4 and like.
Yeah.
So I was talking to Sakshi the other day, and she was telling me this thing ki your body is made in a way where it protects you from death every single day, right? Anything that comes near to death, it protects you from that. And waking up from sleep is scary for your brain. Anything that is uncomfortable for your body, working out, waking up in the morning, doing adventurous things, anything that releases dopamine in your body protects you from not doing it. आणि
True.
तुमच्या बॉडी असे अँटी केमिकल्स रिलीज करते तुमच्या डोक्यात जे तुम्हाला तिथून रेजिस्ट करतं. अँड दॅट्स वॉट्स कॉल्ड प्रोकास्टिनेशन, राईट? अँड दोज केमिकल्स, आय डोंट एक्झॅक्टली नो द केमिकल्स, नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्टमध्ये मी तुला रिसर्च करून सांगतो, बट दोज केमिकल्स कॉज प्रोकास्टिनेशन इन यू.
Yeah.
So what you are saying is you need to basically discipline your body in such a way that those chemicals won't affect your productivity, right?
Yeah.
मतलब make use, तुमच्या बॉडीला अशी सवय लावा की no matter what you have to get up and this will get you better every day.
So my theory is, माझी theory नहीं है, this is one of the methods I use is I ask someone to push me. I ask someone to wake me at 6 in the morning until I wake up. I ask someone to humiliate me or push me until I go to the working out. Same thing with work, same thing with study, same thing with everything. Basically कि if I can't do it, मी किती पण ट्राय करतोय माझ्याकडनं होत नाहीये, डझंट मीन इट कॅनॉट हॅपन. यू नीड टू फाइंड वेज अंटिल द टाइम तुझ्या बॉडीला सवय होऊन जाते. सो नाव देर इजंट अ डे गो बाय वेर आय डोंट वेक अप ॲट 7 in the morning.
So हे तुझं मग नॅचरली आता यू डोंट नीड एनीवन टू वेक यू अप.
नाही,
पहिले व्हायचं फक्त ते.
या कारण
And now you naturally just wake up.
तुम्ही 7 ला नाही उठू शकत. किंवा if you decide to wake up at 8, if you
Yeah.
decide to go to bed at 10 p.m.
Yeah.
and you are sleeping at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
one fine day you cannot just go to bed at 10.
Makes sense.
You need someone to take away your phone, take away your everything, or you fucking work out for 4 hours in the evening. म्हणजे तू 10 ला automatically झोपून जाशील. And then you will actually wake up at 8. Because 8 hours sleep is more than what you need.
So I have a question. For example, तुझ्या लाईफ मधून जॉब हा ऍसेट काढून टाकला आता सध्या.
Yeah.
Will you still wake up at 7?
Yeah, because job is not the reason why I wake up at 7.
So right now, what's the reason that you wake up at 7?
That's the alignment which my body is in right now, because
Achha,
for last
okay.
15 years
Okay.
I've been waking up at 7.
Right. Okay.
So now my body automatically responds to that request.
To the cycle, basically. To the cycle.
Correct.
Ki now it's time, get up.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
cool.
Even if
Works,
I don't
works.
get up,
Yeah.
I'm awake.
Right. So हे जसं आपण स्लीपिंगचं एक्झाम्पल दिलं, आय थिंक डिसिप्लिनचं पण हेच एक्झाम्पल आहे. एनिथिंग दॅट यू डू, वर्किंग आउट इज लाईक गोइंग टू टेम्पल फॉर सम पीपल. की लाईक गेलो नाही तर मी जगूच नाही शकत.
तू आर्नल्डचा इंटरव्ह्यूज पाहिले का? इट्स लाईक ब्रीदिंग फॉर हिम.
ब्रीदिंग, yeah.
You cannot stop breathing.
Yeah, that's insane, man. That level of
fucking... You cannot
fucking...
stop eating. You cannot stop bathing.
Yeah.
Thus, you cannot stop working out.
For sure,
it's
for
part
sure.
of your daily routine.
For sure.
lifestyle.
Wow, that's
Anyway,
something to take away for sure.
yes.
Manje, it all rolls back to the Cristiano thing that we were talking about the
Right.
other day. Ki, what really makes a man like so disciplined in life? Is it the triggers or the practice or the natural instincts that he was born with?
Combination of all.
It's like I think Ronaldo is a combination of everything.
Yeah.
is 10 on 10. Like
Yeah,
tapered. So it's like
Absolutely.
like God.
यार या लोकांच्या डोक्यात काय असतं, आय एम नॉट गोना स्ट्रेच इट. या लोकांच्या डोक्यात काय असतं, आय वॉन्ट बी द बेस्ट. बेस्ट होण्याकरता काय काय लागते लोक सगळं करतात.
Yeah.
मग तुम्ही लवकर उठा, लेट उठा, खराब खा, चांगलं खा, व्हॉट एव्हर इट इज विच यू नीड टू डू टू गेट ऑन द टॉप.
Sure.
मग तसा रिव्हर्स प्लॅन बनवतात की अच्छा मला या वर्षी माझं हे टार्गेट आहे, आय वॉन्ट टू विन द बॅलंडोर जिंकण्याकरता चॅम्पियन्स लीग करता हे मग ट्रेनिंग मध्ये हॅव टू डू हे फायनान्शियली हॅव टू डू हे
Yeah.
अँड देन दे डू इट.
Hell yeah.
दे डोंट स्किप
Sure.
एनिथिंग. आपलं whereas us, did you go to work out yesterday?
Yeah.
You did?
Oh no, not yesterday. Sorry, not yesterday. I was actually sick. I'm still sick.
Yeah.
I'm having a throat infection kind of a thing. So, but
Yeah.
चालू आहे 10-15 days पासून. It's getting
Okay.
better and better.
Good stuff.
But yeah, need to be in a position where I need to make this my like everything. At least what.
True.
I'd be happy when I reach that stage. But yeah, I mean that's. मला actually खूप बोलायचं होतं अजून. I had like 3-4 points, but it's I think झाला एक तास already. है ना?
Yeah.
I think we'll cover the rest in the next pod for
Yeah.
sure. But
Definitely.
I think खूप भारी topics आहेत अजून पुढे. This is fun, right?
Yeah.
Like this pod was like interesting. All the interesting topics.
Let's see how these guys feel.
Yeah, guys, comment below यार. ज़्यादा comments नहीं आते. Views are getting better, but comments I don't feel comments आते हैं इसको because it's still pretty new. So comment below if this was good, like what you all felt about it. But we're pretty much ending the podcast right here and right now. अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई टॉपिक्स होंगे कुछ भी आपको हमसे सुनना है या फिर हमारे ओपिनियन सुनने हैं, हमारे व्यूज़ सुनने हैं, यू कैन ऑलवेज कमेंट बिलो. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज प्रीटी मच इट फॉर द वीडियो. काय बोलायचं तुला आउट्रो?
No, nothing.
You good?
Stay hungry, stay foolish. Keep
And
grinding.
stay woken, baby. Stay woken.
Choo.
Take care, guys. Ending the video right here, right now. As I always say, keep watching the video. Keep subscribe if you haven't. Comment below. And as I always say, take care and peace out. Shoo.